Most of the candidates, of course, it's not there, but whenever you find the red letters, you find this will be available, okay? Most of the candidates want what civil services give to them, but not what civil services demand from them. So we always think from our perspective. But UPSC also got its own role. DOPT, UPSC both work together to select the best from the country. We got a big market and a huge manpower. So 11 lakh and odd people are applying. And of course, half the people are going to write the examinations. And out of that, only some 13 to 15,000 people will be selected for the main examination. And the ethics come under that. Then out of that, maybe some 2,500 people will be selected for the PT, that's called the personality test. Out of that, maybe 780 or maybe 800 or maybe 900, maybe 1,000 maximum will be selected. Out of that, average 180 are from IAS and 150 for the IPS and maybe some IRS 150 like that. It goes. The top services are very important, okay? So the question here is to demand something, and you must know how to give to the UPSC. That's very, very crucial. Okay, what civil service demand is leadership.